Tēnā koutou e te hunga ngā takitaki mai, whakarongo mai nei. Nā ko tēnei tikanga ko te Whanaungatanga. Now, Whanaungatanga is really important within the kaupapa, the national body that I work within, which is TOAH-NNEST, but I'm part of the Māori caucus, which is Ngā Kaitiaki Mauri. Now, Whanaungatanga is actually part of our principles or ngā tikanga. It guides us in our work at a national level, and that's really important too. And just giving a little bit of explanation or a background on what Whanaungatanga really means. Whanaungatanga is really important in terms of building relationship, and that's one interpretation of Whanaungatanga, but it's much greater than that. It goes right back to the orokohanga o te ao, or the beginning of creation of rangi and papa, hine ahuone, hine nui te pō, hine titama. Those, as we refer to as ngā Māori pura of that time, back in that creation. But the importance of that is, how does it affect us today? What does that look like? And there are many examples that can be shared in regards to what Whanaungatanga would mean for me and the work that I do within the area of family, well, within violence, all forms of violence, and working alongside our people in the community. But at a national level with Ngā Kaitiaki Mauri, again, we're still building relationships. We're still learning to engage in a positive way with our people at a national level, but in a wider community level, I suppose. But when we go back to local level, working using that particular principle, it's how I build a relationship with our community, how I build a relationship with our whānau, with our hapu, and with our iwi. Now, we've got to be really mindful that when we refer to whānau, hapu, iwi, it doesn't just mean blocks of different kaupapa. Whānau for hapu for me is who I am. It's where I come from. If we go back to the relationship and the connection, it doesn't mean because you don't participate that you're not hapu related. I have many connections. My connection goes back to my maunga taranaki, and though I don't go back there as much as I wish I could, it doesn't mean that I don't engage with my people, because I still do. The same with Te Whakatohia. While I live in Te Whakatohia, I may not be attending some of their meetings, but I'm in the community attending to people's needs, our whānau needs. So that's really crucial in terms of understanding what Whanaungatanga really means. Whanaungatanga is also how I engage with non-Māori, and that's important, because in order to engage with people, it has nothing to do with their ethnicity. It's more to do with how we engage with people, and that's what relationship means to me. Nō reira, kia ora mai anō.